In the busiest part of the year, my apprentice Aljaž and I delivered a pine from one of the previous videos to Austria and also repotted it at the client's place. And not just that pine, several other trees found new homes in new pots as well. Then I briefly stopped in Germany for a private demonstration and some work on trees. Now I am back in my home workshop, working on this Japanese black pine from another client's garden. Hello and welcome to a brand new episode of Tora School Online. This will be another rescue project. This otherwise top quality tree was neglected for last 3 or 4 years, and it is now full of dead branches and wires cutting into the bark. So my mission is not just to style this tree, but to rescue it, to put it back on bonsai path. And because the candles are starting to grow, there is not much time. So without further ado, let's cut the old wire off and we will proceed from there. I'm happy that this video is sponsored by Potscape, who provided the delivery of a new pot. Potscape is a place of quality bonsai pots. On their website you can find an exceptional variety of different pots, shapes and sizes. If you don't find the right pot for yourself on the website, you can still send an inquiry and you'll receive a friendly and above all quick response about what they can offer you. They ship worldwide. I highly recommend this place. I had been searching for exactly this kind of pot for a long time, and this one is truly special. A large drum-shaped container. It's of excellent quality and beautiful to look at. So during this process I discovered that the damage done to this tree is much more serious than I thought at the beginning. So this tree will probably need a serious restoration. Now, as the wire is cut off and I established how damaged this tree really is, I will try to set a new structure of the crown. There will be a lot of cutting and wiring, but there is no other option really than to build this tree from the scratch. Cutting roughly done. I will deal with the top later. Now I will put the wire on the bottom branches, spread them out, and I will see from there. As I'm feeding the trees in my garden, I just want to invite you to become the member of this channel. With that you will gain the early access to the videos. Or you can support us also with clicking the thanks button below. Some likes or comments will help the algorithm to discover this channel, and you can also visit our web shop to buy there some merch. Thank you. Now, as I set the first two branches in place, the damage on the tree is even more visible, especially in that side where the big branch up here died off. Now I will try to compensate this branch with the back ones, this one, and I will try to fill up the space here. And this is it. This is the final result. Of course, a lot of work must be done in the future, but for now the structure, the new structure of the crown is set. Of course, the main flaws of this tree now is this space up there where the branch died off. One can imagine how beautiful the tree would be if that branch would be still alive. I'm thinking about grafting a new one, but for now this is it. Thank you for your time, thank you for watching, and see you all in the next one.